Hey, Bob Carr here with TLC Garage Works. Today we're heading out to Ellicott City. Come along with us. We're going to install a brand new Polyaspartic Polyurea floor coating. Come along with us. Getting underway here in Ellicott City. This garage is about approximately 500 square feet on the floor, plus we're doing some of the stem walls. Clients chose the flake mix we call our 935, which is a quartz. It's made up of a pale blue and yellow and some white. Very nice looking floor once we get done here. Had to get rid of this stucco that was all over the stem walls. It was there when the house was built. But we're gonna go ahead and scrape it off without too much of a fight. We've gotten the floor ground and prepped. Take a look at here, one of our gals who's mixing our base coat. We're going to tint that, get that down. Once we get that down, we'll add the flakes next. Now you get a chance to see those flakes. They really bring some life back into this garage. I know the homeowners will be happy. End of the first day, got this floor fully ground and flaked. Now it will dry overnight. Check out day 2. The girls start by sweeping off the loose and excess flakes on the floor and the stem wall. We got a little bit of rain overnight, so we're going to use a grinder to neaten up the edges of the garage. First step in our top coat application is to brush it onto the stem wall. Got to make sure it's evenly applied here, or else it will peel off. So it looks good and it'll last a lifetime. Onto the floor itself now. This part moves along much quicker, and it's also really satisfying to watch. Our Polyaspartic Polyurea coating is impermeable, easy to clean, and transforms the look and feel of your garage. With the top coat application complete, the guys and gals have completed yet another successful garage floor. This was a beautiful garage floor. The color was fantastic. Hope you enjoyed this video as much as we did putting it together and completing this garage floor for another longtime TLC client.